Hello everyone. Today my name is Rich. I'm so happy to meet you guys. And today I will talk about how to download the VR Designer software, and then how to use it in front end design software. As you can see, you can check this link and then click here. The bottom line is the English version of VR Designer. And then you can see the system requirement. The top column is talking about the recommended requirement. And the bottom one is basic requirement you need to fulfill when you're using this software. And then when we download the software, as you can see, you will have two icons in here. One is the blue one, and the other one is gray one. The blue one is frontline design software, and the other one, gray one, is back-end design software, which when you use it, you can input your material and product material, product model, and detail and usage information through this software. So today, I will mainly focus on the blue one. So we double click it, and then input your user ID and password and log in. It will take some time to bring server recognition. So as you can see, we will have 2D operation interface and 3D operation interface. When you click floor plan, it will be a 2D operation interface. When you click model, it will shift to 3D operation interface. So now, I will present to you a whole design process and generate the whole design. When we use a 2D model interface or 2D operation interface, in left-hand side, we have printing of walls, rooms, doors, and windows, and structure, etc. And the right-hand side, we can edit space height, wall thickness, and dimension, etc. When we click model, it will shift to 3D mode. It will have on the right-hand side, the top of the column, we will have some basic functions such as moving, zooming, damming. In right-hand side, we have a hotkey description. In here, right-hand side, left-hand side, we have a product library. In our library, we have two main libraries we can use. One is the company library, and the other one is public library. Company library is, we can manage it by ourselves, and we can enter or input our products into this library. And other usage cannot read it. and use it. In public library, we can use the free model in this library. It is Real Designer to provide to you free to use it. And we will officially update regularly. The right-hand side, we will also have a edit column. So now, the basic interface of the software is introduced. And now, we will explain the basic process of designing a project. So we click floor plan. And then we will input a build models. Now we import the floor plan in JPG or PNG format. And then we will enter actual size. As you can see, the actual size is 3642. So we enter 3642 and then click. Next step, we let AI recognition the picture and then use the function on the left-hand side to support or assist the modification. Such as in this floor plan, we need to add some door and adjust the room height. So right-hand side, we can modify height and wall thickness and use enter. In next step, we need to modify the space name. We set the name to define the usage of the space. For example, the living room, bedroom, or kitchen. When we set all the space name, we have to save the file. Before next design. So we can shift to 3D interface to design. Now we will focus on floor and skirting. For example, we choose a skirting model from the public library. As you can see, we have green tag and blue tag. Blue tag is talking about the model is in the cloud, but you have not to download. You have to download before you use. And green tag is talking about it is ready to use because you have to, because it's downloaded. So we can put it into this space to use it. To copy for the floor, we were talking about the floor material. We choose the pattern in library. And we will copy the material. We right-click and choose texture brush. If you finish, you just right-click to cancel the brush. So we will choose other pattern for kitchen and bathroom or washing room. And we will choose another pattern for each door. And skirting. Also using the texture brush. Okay, when we finish the brush, we need to adjust the pattern. Okay, we zoom in. As you can see, the pattern is not matched. So we can adjust the direction by using material independence. On the right-hand side. And we modify it, the details in UV box. And you can turn it carefully. Okay, when we finish, we will move to wall part. Also, we double click the product to download and pull in. As you can see, the system will remind you to save the file in every 5 minutes. So you can see the system will pop up a window to ask you for your expected usage. If you click yes, it will use this material for all space wall. If you click no, it will just change the material for a single wall. So now we can move it in next step, a window replacement. We use a hotkey replace to select window style. And then press OK. In this design, we will use same window style in all windows. And then next, we will design the ceiling. In ceiling range, we will set it down to 300 heights.